how to adjust the cell with respect to text. So there are two methods we can apply here. So first we can write some text like serial number, then name, then father name, and then date of birth. So here we can see that the father name and date of birth go to the other cell. So we can adjust the cell like this. So this is the first method. The other method is we can click here like this, and we can adjust any of this column. So I have adjust this one. So here we can see all columns are adjusted with respect to text.